Give her a kiss.
I want to give kiss.
Give her one more kiss. Just stick out her tongue. Stick out her tongue to kiss you.
Here is your baby, your big baby. Big one.
She's out? Yes, she's.
Hello, mommy.
Oh, cry, mama, cry.
Oh, yes?
She has time. She has 1 minute.
Hello. Come and catch your baby. Yes.
Oh my God.
Great. To stick here, you don't really rest. It's not like if you put them here and you say, okay, they can play and I can rest. You have to pay attention.
You have to pay attention. You can't leave them out. Spoil them. Faves. School day for the kids. Super hot here. So they're under the shed. And my pool, of course, is too big. Don't have a kiddie section, so they have a pool. It's a pool outside. And of course, Tyler is a chicken. Tyler don't want to get in the water. It's too cold.
And then yoga.
Other cousins there. Little Miss Diva.
Let's just relax this cold. You want to go back to hotness? Yeah. I mean, you want to go back to...
And while everybody having pool day, Mama having sleeping day. Just waking up. Look at her. Look at them foods. Look at those flexible foods. Look at her. Look at her. Ah, big girl. Where are you guys going?
To the zoo! Morning, babes!
Ooh, say morning, say morning.
Morning, babes! Morning, babes!
Yes.
Me, little diva.
Which is right. So everybody is all ready without me and heading out to the park for the day. You guys gonna have fun?
Yes!
And you're gonna be nice?
Yes!
You sure?
Yeah.
Especially you?
No, especially her. Because that's taking things that doesn't belong to
Leave her alone.
Leave my little diva. Leave my
Alright,
little
you guys have fun, okay? And listen to Marianne and to Babe. Right, Ty? And
You want to
enjoy
go
all the animals you're gonna
Right,
see.
Maria.
And you tell me all about it when you get back.
Oh, how about videos of things? How about videos of things?
Video some things where?
Like with my phone.
Yes, you can, and then you show me when you get back. Okay? Look at her, isn't she cute?
Oh, little diva.
Yes. Alright, I'll see you guys when you get back, okay?
Okay.
Say bye. You're a little diva? No, only females are divas, okay? Only girls.
Diva, little
You're a
diva.
little prince.
No, diva.
No, you're not no diva.
Hey guys, good morning everybody. Well, good afternoon first. It's just after 12 and we're going out. Yes. Babe, I'm gonna stay home, take care of this little beauty. Isn't she beautiful? Silence. She's opening her eyes soon. Alright guys, that was to give me the smile of the day. Well, that's a new thing, the smile of the day. I am getting ready with everybody except Baby and Sarah. We are going out just in town trying to do some things. It's very hot outside, but yeah, we're gonna try to be out of this house. I'm already sweating. Woo! I hope you're all doing well. I hope you all, for everybody that, because July in summer break, I hope you're all doing great and doing what you expected to do, what you wanted to do, and it's not too hot if you're in summer like us. Yes, so I'm gonna catch you along the way. Have a good day.
Everybody's leaving. Marian, red really fits you.
Huh?
Red fits you.
This is a hot pink. This is hot pink. Look.
Babe, what color is that?
This is red. This is red. This is not red. It's not red.
Marian.
It's
Oh
hot
my
pink.
god.
This is pink.
This is pink.
This is pink.
No, this is hot pink.
Yeah,
There's no hot or pink or
This is what you got hot pink. This is red or this is red. This is not red.
Marian.
It's
A
not
red. Red.
It's not. Ask your people.
Red.
Ask your people.
Go there so let me show them properly.
Ask your people.
Guys, comment down below and tell us what color is my cousin's dress. I say red.
Pink.
No.
Hot pink.
It's hot pink.
All the Londoners saying hot pink. No such color as hot pink.
It's
It's red.
Hot pink.
What color is Marian's dress?
Hot pink.
Look at Marian's dress and tell me what color is it tie.
Hot pink.
Ah!
Like this is also she gonna say.
Guys, it's hot pink, okay? Look, in London, that's hot pink. That's hot pink.
All right. Bye. Bye, everybody.
There's different.
See you guys later.
Look, this is.
Bye, Tyler. Goodbye. Bye. Bye, honey.
Pray for me.
I pray for you.
Pray for me.
I pray for you. That's okay, Ty. Go.
Okay, Tyler, that's a foot.
Bye bye, Tyler. I love you. Tyler, I love you. Fix your hat properly.
I take care of him at least.
Yes, please do, and don't let me crucify you. Keep your eye on me, pitney. Keep your eye on me, pitney. Baby, you have your bus card? You want to give Marianne mine? Marianne, come from a bus card. Sit here. Hi, faves. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. You guys finally seen my face for today's vlog. I think Babe started it, or maybe I unofficially started it before Babe. The house is quiet because they're all off for the day. Well, my girl and I are here chilling, resting. Of course I won't be going out doing activities because your girl have to heal properly because we don't want no complications, honey. So I'm home, I'm doing good. Baby's doing well. She's actually taking a nap right now. There goes my baby. She's sleeping like a champ. She's taking a nap, but she's doing good. It is so hot. You guys see the fan going? It is so hot. So we have to keep the fans going to make sure that the house is as cool as can possibly be. But other than that, we have health, we are happy, we are good, we are resting, and everybody's doing wonderful. Tyler is, of course, is in heaven, and Babe, he's such a good sport. I just really have to give all the praises to Babe because I can't go out with my family. He have I think 2 weeks before he go back to work, so he's kind of using this week to check out all the stops with them, to take them out and about, so the final week he can stay home and rest a bit before he head back to work. So Baby's really checking out all the stops for me, but he's also having fun in the process because he gets to have one-on-one time with Tyler while I rest up. So he's doing such an amazing job with that. So hats off to Babe. Anyway, you guys, just have a good day. Just stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated. Whatever it is that you guys set out to do today, just go out and conquer it. Like, leave no stones unturned. Love you guys. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog, and I am about to have some lunch right now. My cousin has been just checking out all the stops since she got here. She's just been cooking, but I am having small portions of what she's cooking because, honey, if you watch my Instagram, if you don't follow me on Instagram, go and follow me on Instagram. You will see all the pictures and all the little stories that I leave. If I follow my cousin, I put on weight like crazy. If you tell her to share your small plate, the amount of food that you're going to get. And she cook a lot because her kids eat a lot. So when she cooks, I'm like, girl, I don't know how you do it, but she cooks. Yeah, she cooks. That's why she had to bring her Dutch pot because she want big pots, and I don't have big pots like her pot. So she's just awesome. The good thing is I don't have to be preparing food for them. I don't have to look after them because she does everything. I don't know how she do it, but she check out all the stuff, and baby's taking care of Tyler, so I really don't have anything much to do than take care of myself and Sarah and rest. So anyway, I hope babe will vlog while he's out so you guys can see the fun that they're having today. But yeah, I'm just here chilling. I'm gonna find something to eat right now, and then my girl should be up for feeding in a bit. So have a good day, y'all. If you're new to our channel, be sure you subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. Love you guys.
Hey guys, we are trying to show you the flamingos, but they are here. It's hot. We are indoor. Tyler, stay here. Want to come? So we are continuing our tour. You have something to say?
No.
You're hot? Yes, it's hot here. You're sweating. You look like you're in a rainforest. You're in a rainforest. Hey guys, it's hot where we are. We are into the pyramid. Hot like, but they say it's good to sweat. So yeah. Marion is somewhere running after the kids. I hope she have fun running after all of her kids. So yeah, we're here enjoying everything. It's like the 100 times that we come here, but every time we come here we have fun. It's like a must stop. So yeah, everybody that come here with kids, recommend you can come here and have fun, and the kids always happy to see all of these animals. So yeah, hope you're enjoying the vlog, and we catch you guys soon. First back. So we're at the park. It's hot. The good thing is that it's empty because it's hot. Yeah, we're finishing the day here. The kids are now tired. They're running everywhere, and the parents are tired too. So yeah, it's having a good day. It's having a good day. Maybe hot, but it's having a good day. You know, it's best to stay at home. So trying to find different things to do and not stay home. So yeah, I hope babe, she's home. I hope she has some rest because it's been hard for her. Sarah still wake up in the night. So yeah, that's the reason why she's not here, because it's not only to take care of Sarah that she stay home, but it's also to take this opportunity to rest, to relax, no stress, and yeah. Time for us to go back home, little shopping, supermarket to do on the way, and yeah, we're gonna catch back.
So I'm here making some juice for myself. My cousin bring me something called Nourishment that look like Suppergen. So that's what I have in here with some oats and a little milk. And I'm gonna blend this bad boy.
Mommy's gonna make lasagna.
What's your spot? Lasagna.
Come on.
You have the mommy the lasagna?
Yes.
Okay, what you put in? What you put in the pan? What you put in?
In the pasta.
What you put in first?
But first you put in the mint. I think that's what I said.
The mince. Yes.
Then she put the pasta like this. Then
And now she put in cream.
I'm coming.
The mint smells so good. My veg and all my yumminess. What you have in it?
No, the mince?
Oh Lord, all sorts of goodness. Is that corn I'm seeing?
No, that's garlic. Here?
Yeah.
Garlic. Have garlic, onion, sweet pepper, different type of sweet pepper to give it. The thyme. You know, you have the tomato sauce, the tomato, and all of that. But it's not what's in it, it's how you put it in.
Right. Right.
Yeah. So, it's all good.
It smells so good.
Hi, thanks.
She need a whole channel.
Listen.
I actually like shark.
You like shark?
I mean that chair. The one in my room, I love.
You just reply.
No, no, what clue I must say it.
37.
Just a
Let's
say.
try that.
So you never just finish your comment and done?
Alright. Just a little extra gravy on the side.
32. Let's try that.
Give her a hug. Don't squeeze her, don't squeeze her, don't squeeze her. Give her a kiss.
Oh, the kiss.
Give her one more kiss. Just stick out her tongue. Stick out her tongue to kiss you. Aww. I'm from you. Alright, alright.
Not milk. What did it's not milk.
Alright, tell her night night.
Night.